Hello students, this video of fiber to fabric is brought to you by Aryabhat National Public School. In this chapter, we will discuss about the introduction of fiber and fabric, types of fibers, cotton and jute fiber, fiber to fabric making process. Students, you know that clothes are one of the basic necessities of human beings. In today's world, if somebody comes out from his house, a home, without cloth, what people will say about him? Everybody will say that he has gone mad. We wear different types of clothes. And why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes because these clothes protect us from heat, protect us from cold, protect us from dust, protect us from rain. Early men, do you know? Early men did not wear clothes. Then what they wear? They cover their bodies with big leaves, bark of trees, with animal skins. All these items were used in earlier times to cover the bodies. Later, they learned to weave and started making fabrics. During Harappan during Harappan period, around 2500 BC, cotton was grown near river Ganga, which was later used to make cloths. At that time, they were not aware of stitching. Therefore, they weave, make fabric, and drape them around their bodies. When needle was invented and stitching was started, fabrics were made into different types of cloths as we wear today, like pants, shirts, salwar suits, woolen cloths, different kinds of cloths we use to cover our body. In our homes, we wear as we use cloths as curtain, pillow cover, bed sheet, lot of things. Do you know where how these cloths are made? All cloths are made with yarn. What is yarn? Yarn are long threads. And how these yarns are made? These yarns are made with fibers. Let us define fiber. What is fiber? I have already written for you. The thin strands by which yarn is made are called fibers. Or fibers are thin, long, flexible hair or thread like structure. Have you seen cotton? You can find cotton in your home. Do you use pillow? What is inside the pillow cover? That is cotton. Cotton is used in winters. Quilt, you use quilt. What is filled inside the quilt? It is cotton. From these fibers, yarns are made, and from these yarns, fabrics are made. See, this is yarn. Here you will find this is cotton fiber. And from where we get these fibers? We get these fibers from two sources. We get these fibers from from nature. Nature has provided us with different kinds of fibers, and we make them or prepare them in our factories with chemicals. In the next part, we will classify these fibers. These fibers are classified into two types. One is natural fiber and other is synthetic fiber. What is natural fiber and what is synthetic fiber? Natural fibers are obtained from natural fiber. Fibers that we get from nature are called natural fibers. For example, cotton, jute, hemp, coir, etc. All these are natural fibers. And synthetic fibers or man-made fibers are made in factories from chemicals. For example, you can take nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Natural fibers are again classified into two types. The one that we get from plants are called plant fiber. The one that we get from animals are called animal fibers. In this chapter, we will discuss about plant fiber and especially in plant fiber, especially cotton and jute. What are plant fibers? Fibers that are obtained from plants are called plant fibers. For example, cotton, jute, flax, hemp, rami. These are some of the popular plant fibers that we use. And animal fibers, the fibers that we obtain from animals are known as animal fibers. Wool, silk, etc. Plant fibers are used more than animal fibers. There are some facts that we should know that plant fibers are used more than animal fibers, and silk fiber is one of the strongest natural fiber. This is all in this part of the video. In the next part of the video, we will discuss about cotton and jute in detail.